This is the Woodford RK-24 wall hydrant repair kit. Now this repair kit is going to work for the Woodford faucet models 21, 24, 26, and the model 43. Now the parts included in the kit, you got your plastic handle, the packing nut, the handle screw, the seat screw, seat washer, the EPDM packing, the support washer, and the operating screw. On the end of the operating screw, you can see that there's kind of like a little square head on the end. And then if you can compare that with the handle, see in the bottom, there's that square opening or broach. That square will just fit snugly into that square, and your handle screw goes through, tightens that down, secures it into place. And then inside of that operating screw, I know it's hard to see on the camera, there are a set of female or internal threads inside there for the handle screw. And then coming down to the bottom, you've got these pretty large male threads. It's just 3 total threads. And in the bottom, got that flat side, and in that hole there's also another small set of female or internal threads. Now we'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions of each part that is included in the kit, starting with the packing nut. Now in the packing nut, you can see down here at the bottom, got that set of male threads, thread that into the faucet. Then coming up, you've got your hex point, and where you can attach a wrench, get that nice and tight or loosen, whatever you're needing to do. So total length of that packing nut, going to be just shy of 3/4 of an inch. And outer diameter here at the flat side, going to be right at about 7/8 of an inch. And I'm going to try my best to get a measurement of the outer diameter of that hex nut. From point to point, we're right at 1 inch. Then our handle screw, that's going to be driven by just a little flat head. Total length from the top of the head to the final thread will be right at 7/8 of an inch. Then our EPDM packing, you can see in the middle of it, it's kind of got that little bevel. Outer diameter, right at 3/4. Total height or thickness, right at 1/4 of an inch. Then our operating screw, start with a total length gonna be right at about 1 inch and 5/8. And then our brass packing support washer, that's going to be right at just above 3/4 of an inch on that outer diameter. And then last but not least, our handle. Now I'm just going to measure the outer diameter here at the bottom side or back of the handle. It's going to be right at about 2 inches. And once again, this is the Woodford RK-24 wall hydrant repair kit.